Gangster politician Atiq Ahmed will be produced before a court in Prayagraj on Tuesday in connection with the 2006 kidnapping of Umesh Pal, a witness in the BSP MLA Raju Pal murder case who was killed last month in an attack allegedly orchestrated by the two. The verdict is also likely to be pronounced during the day. The police cavalcade which brought Atiq Ahmed from the Sabarmati jail in Ahmedabad around 5:30 p.m. was followed by cars carrying TV crews, his sister Aisha Noori and lawyers. The opposition leaders will steer clear of commenting on sensitive topics like VD Savarkar. The Congress and representatives of 17 parties present at a strategy meet on Monday evening have decided. The absence of Uddhav Thackeray loomed large over the dinner meet at Mallikarjun Kharge's home. Mr. Thackeray, upset over Rahul Gandhi's comments on VD Savarkar, had pulled out of the meet earlier in the evening. "My name is not Savarkar, won't apologize," was Mr. Gandhi's response after he got a 2-year jail term over his comments on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's surname and was disqualified as an MP. The statement has deeply offended Mr. Thackeray's party, which had objected earlier too about Mr. Gandhi's comments on the right-wing icon. Earlier in the day, Mr. Thackeray warned of a rift in the opposition alliance in Maharashtra if Mr. Gandhi did not stop insulting our God. The Akal Takht has issued a strong statement against the Bhagwant Mann government and the centre over the Punjab police crackdown against separatist preacher Amritpal Singh, questioning why similar action is not taken against those who demand Hindu Rashtra. Akal Takht Jathedar Gyani Harpreet Singh gave a 24-hour ultimatum to the state government to release Sikh youths picked up during the crackdown against the separatist preacher. He was addressing a gathering of Sikh organizations comprising intellectuals, lawyers, journalists, religious and social leaders to discuss the situation in Punjab. US State Department's main deputy spokesperson Vedant Patel on Monday said that the United States is watching the court case of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, adding that the country continues to engage with India on the shared commitment towards democratic principles and the protection of human rights, including freedom of expression, PTI reported. Talking to reporters at a press conference on Monday, Vedant Patel said, "Respect for the rule of law and judicial independence is a cornerstone of any democracy. We are watching Mr. Gandhi's case in Indian courts and we engage with the government of India on our shared commitment to democratic values, including freedom of expression." Days after nationwide turmoil, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu late on Monday paused off his signature plan to overhaul the country's judiciary. The plans by Netanyahu's nationalist religious coalition to hand control over judicial appointments to the executive while giving parliament the power to overturn Supreme Court rulings has ignited one of the biggest internal crises in Israeli history. Announcing his decision late on Monday to suspend the plans until Parliament returns after the break for the Passover holiday and Independence Day next month, Netanyahu said the crisis requires all sides to act responsibly.